Hi, I'm Eric Wickraft for FlowerBox. Today I'm going to share with you a fun contemporary design in this 5-inch cube. I've taken a little bit of the sparkly ribbon to adhere to the outside, and I've just stuck it right on in place. So decorative wire and created a little bit of a swirl action. So let me turn this around to show you what I've done. You can see there, it's a really cool effect. Then I'm going to take 12 of these creamy colored roses and just tuck them right down in. Doing a style that we as florists call Pavé, where you simply just take the roses and position them side by side, all at the same level. But the beauty in this is in the impact. Just looking at this bed of roses is so beautiful. This 8 roses in, and here's 9. And just plucking off some of the guard petals so it looks attractive. And I'm going to add one more layer, so we'll end up with 12 total. You can just simply tuck them kind of in the little cracks and crevices that you need to fill in. And it just adds a little bit of texture. Just tucking them down in. And all the little spots that you think should be good. As a finishing element, one more swirl out of the decorative gold wire. And I'm just going to simply tuck it between the roses and let it kind of hover above the surface. And I'll tilt this a little bit really well. I'm just going to tilt this forward a little bit so you can see the finished design. Isn't that beautiful? This is perfect for a corporate event or a wedding because the roses are so close to the foam, they'll last a very long time. For more creative inspiration, check out flowerbox.com, and I'll hope to see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.